Okay, here is a lovely little redneck contraption that my neighbor's excited to put up. We got a plow truck that doesn't run. Redneck gutter system. Look at this shit. Held on with frog tape. Oh yeah, and what runs off from there that isn't sealed, they catch right here in the cooler with the drain coming off it, of course. Yeah. And they throw their dishes in it, and it is a Redneck dishwasher. What's it called?
Drainage system dishwasher.
Yep. Dickered. Look at the plants.
Redneck.
Just dickered. Look at himself.
Drinking natty ice.
This is just dickered. Fucking Dan. He's funny.